How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application, and it will lead you to your chat section directly, right? Now on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options. Now there, you will see status, calls, communities, chats, and of course settings. Tap on settings there, and here you will see a lot of options. What I want you to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see the very last section. You will see help and tell a friend. So tap on help there, and here you will see 4 another different options. Tap on contact us. So here on contact us, you will actually ask the WhatsApp community to actually help you with your problem, and you can put there, here it says, hi, I'm having a problem with my WhatsApp calls. It is always unavailable. And then tap on next there. And just wait for it to load, and you'll see a lot of options here. But you can just tap on send my question to WhatsApp support. Now here, the WhatsApp community will actually give you a ticket number. So they will chat you through WhatsApp too. So here, thanks for your message, your ticket number is blah blah blah, and we're viewing your issue and will respond to you as soon as possible. And then basically that you just have to wait for your ticket number to arrive, and they will help you with that. And that's how you fix WhatsApp call unavailable. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.